Videos on. Hey everybody, we got Mike over here having a great old time. How are you, Captain Mike? Into the wind. Yeah, here he goes.
I'm using the tower as a point. If you want to land, there you go. Got it.
Yes, we've got a nice 19-knot wind. Say hello for.
Hi, girls.
Mike, say hello. As you can see, we're all having a grand old time on the ocean blue. We've got a nice lean here, probably about 20 to 30 on a lean. I'm trying to get a picture of Mike right there. And Phil's over there leaning back, having a good old time. As you can see, we almost got the water up pretty good. In fact, Phil's going to give you I'm going to give Phil the camera and see if we can get a better picture of what we're doing right now. It needs some narration, Phil.
Yeah, lots of waves out here today. Okay. Give me my camera.